guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with Garofano. And so today we are going to be baking some muffins. And so this is what we're doing. So we have like a same video on my channel and on Reed's, and hers is day in the life. And so yeah, go check her channel out right here.
Awesome.
Hey, yo.
Okay guys, now I'm going to show y'all what I'm using to prepare for the muffin mix. So I'm using this apple cinnamon muffin mix and a bowl, a thing to stir with, and milk. And this 1/2 cup. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be pouring the muffin mix in. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be adding 1/2 cup of milk. And I'm going to be doing this over the sink so I don't spill it everywhere. Okay guys, now I'm going to stir.
"2,000 years later."
Okay guys, so now I'm going to be putting Pam in the muffin tin.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to be pouring the mix into the muffin tins.
One eternity later.
Okay, that should be good. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go put these in the oven because the oven is preheated. Go check hold. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be putting Pam non-stick. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be putting. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be pouring the Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be pouring the muffin batter. Does that sound weird? Okay guys, so now I'm gonna. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be pouring. I'm sorry, I keep messing up. Okay guys. Okay guys, that's the end of today's video. The muffins were delicious, the chocolate ones from Reed's channel and the apple cinnamon ones from my channel. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you guys next time. Peace!